Today is the day that I can finally share the secret hairpiece I've been wearing, and it is the Easi Topper by Hidden Crown. Easy because it is so lightweight and easy to apply right at the crown of your hair, and it is the little sister to the regular crown topper, which this is what I'm applying now just so you can see the difference in the amount of hair in both pieces. So if the crown topper was too heavy for you, the Easi Topper is going to be your best friend. Both products can be styled to however you want. You can curl them, you can straighten them. I'm just blowing mine out with a round brush to blend seamlessly with my own hair. You can also custom root the product. So whether you buy the rooted piece or not, my piece is rooted and it is the 882 shade, but my gray hair really doesn't blend that well. So I use the medium brown touch up to cover up my own roots and make it blend with the topper, but you could obviously do that vice versa. But both of these pieces are perfect for anyone with thinning hair or roots to cover, or honestly, if you just don't want to fix your hair, because I do that all the time. So I absolutely love this. It's so easy to wear and looks so seamless.